10 mistakes that prevent you from success. Number 7 is disastrous. Have you ever felt stuck in place despite your continuous efforts? Or do you keep making the same mistakes over and over? In this video, we'll explore 10 mistakes that can prevent you from succeeding, and the 7th mistake could be a disaster if you fall into it. Stay tuned until we reach that one. This video will help you improve your life. 1. Stagnation and lack of personal growth. We all need to constantly develop our skills and aspects of life. If you stay where you are, success will remain out of reach. Personal growth is key. 2. Fear of failure. Failure is not the end of the world. It's an opportunity to learn. Fear of it is your biggest enemy. Every failure is a step towards true success. 3. Focusing on the negatives. If you're always focusing on problems rather than solutions, you'll remain stuck. Focus on opportunities and avoid negative thinking. More. Waiting for opportunities instead of creating them. Opportunities won't come knocking at your door, you need to create them. Start today and look for opportunities instead of waiting. 5. Neglecting mental and physical health. Your success is tied to your health. If you don't take care of yourself, you'll struggle to move forward. Health is crucial for long-term success. 6. Lack of organization and time management. Time is your most valuable asset. You need to organize your time and set priorities to achieve your goals faster and more effectively. The 7th mistake is not taking responsibility for your mistakes. Many of us blame circumstances or others for our failures. The truth is, you need to take responsibility for every decision you make, right or wrong. If you don't accept your mistakes, you won't be able to learn from them. Ready? Clinging to the past. What's done is done. If you keep living in the past, you'll miss out on present opportunities. You need to move forward and learn from past experiences. 9. Rushing decisions. Haste makes waste. Take your time when making decisions. 10. Without learning from past experiences. Experiences are the best teacher. If you don't learn from your past mistakes, you'll keep going in circles. Now you know the mistakes to avoid in order to achieve success. The 7th mistake specifically can pull you back if you don't take responsibility. Share with us in the comments if you've ever made any of these mistakes, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. We'll meet again in the next videos. Keep progressing.